You slept all night, now it's morning time. That's the time to rise and shine. Don't you cry and don't be blue. Waking up is hard to do. Just brush your teeth and then get dressed. When you comb your hair you look the best. Now you know it's really true. Waking up is hard to do. They say that waking up is hard to do. Wear a smile and don't you be blue. Just wipe the sleep from your eyes. Instead of going back to bed, you gotta stretch and face the day. Just listen to the birdies sing and the flowers that await the spring. Rise and shine, you're dreaming.